Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga, and welcome to this 15-minute class for strength and flexibility. These concepts of Sthiram and Sukham are central to our yoga experience. Flexibility gets talked about a lot, but really strength is also very significant for the health of our bodies and our minds. So do make sure you have plenty of space to practice and that you're well hydrated. Know that you can practice my classes from a chair, from a seated, a standing base, whatever suits your body. So practice in the body that you're in today. So come into a comfortable seated position, whatever that looks like for you. Make sure you have any supports that you might need around you. And then bringing the hands to the center of the chest will open the space for the class with the vibration of Om. Taking a breath in. Om. Resting the hands down to any comfortable position. Take a few moments to tune in to how the body is feeling, the quality of your thoughts and your emotions, and beginning to feel a deep connection with the flow of the breath, which will guide our practice today. If you wish to set an intention for your practice, now is a good time. And then take in a deeper breath in. And exhale and gently open the eyes. So from this position, I'm going to stretch the legs out. So if you need to prop yourself up on something, that's fine. From here, just point the toes and sit as tall out of the pelvis as you can. Inhale. Exhale and easy lean over to the right side. Just press the right hand down. No, you can stay here. You can bring the hand to the hip, or you can swoosh the arm across, reach into the fingertips. Breathe in. So if it's okay on your neck, you might look up towards the fingertips, or you might look straight ahead, or you might look down. So just choose your drishti. If you're in the chair, sit towards the back of the chair and bend the knees as you bring the feet to the floor as an alternative. Breathing into any tightness you can feel in the side body. Drop the shoulders down away from the ears. Good. Now from here, inhale, turn the belly towards that right leg. Exhale and bring in the hand down either side. So you can feel that you're gazing towards the big toe. Try not to round, try not to strive. So you might be up here, that's fine. Just keep your back really long. Good, breathing and feeling. And then exhale as we come to center. Now peel the toes back. So we go in the opposite direction. Inhale, exhale, easy lean over to the left side. Relax the shoulders. Remember your options here. Good, so just choose the best option for your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, and again, just choose your gaze point as you breathe. Steady breathing in the nostrils. You try to keep the breath in the nostrils. And the idea is that we keep hold of our energy, our prana. Good, relax around the face and shoulders. And from here, just turn the belly towards the outstretched leg. Bring the hand down. You might scooch the hands in a bit. Good, drop the shoulders. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale. So it's kind of a little fold forward, but without straining the back, without rounding the back. So keep the back long. Good. Keep the sitting bone grounded. Very nice. And then inhale as we roll up. Good. Exhale, bending at the knees. Gather the legs in. Good. So you bring the knees towards each other. From this position, just coming onto the sitting bones, you might come onto the tips of the big toes as you take hold of the back of the knees. Still working with strength and also flexibility. So inhale, lengthen. Exhale, so you can stay there, or see if you can take the legs forward. So you take the knees apart and then take the toes forward, kind of parallel with the floor. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Keep lifting the chest. So using a bit of core here as well. Good. And then bring the knees together. Now you might go hands-free from there or not. So you might keep hold of the back of the knees. That's okay. Good. If you're in the chair, you fall forward as an alternative, or you stretch the arms out. It might be you begin to straighten one leg and then straighten the other leg. Straighten one leg. Good. And then straighten the other leg. And then inhale, gather the knees in. Exhale, press the soles of the feet together. Shift the grip. So you take hold of the shins or the ankles. So we come into Baddha Konasana. So back to flexibility, particularly of the hips. Peel the feet open like the pages of a book. Drop the shoulders down, lift the chest. Inhale. Exhale, release the chin. So coming into a variation. Don't worry if your knees are miles away from the floor, it's okay. That's all right, just working the body that you're in. Remember, there's no such thing as progress other than towards more peace in your life. Most of us could do with that, right? So we're breathing. Good, feeling the strength and flexibility. So strength of the arms, but also the flexibility of the hip flexors. And then inhale, lift the head. Exhale, gather the legs towards each other. From this position, we'll come through to an all-fours position. Pad the knees as you need to. Press the palms of the hands down. Inhale, tuck the toes under. Exhale as you push and lift back into downward dog. And just take a moment there. So just have a rock from side to side in your dog. Kind of a floppy dog, just testing the waters, side body, pushing out the heels of the hands. And then from here, bend the left knee and inhale, kind of twist your dog. So you twist over to the left side. Take a few breaths there. And then inhale back to center. Exhale, bend the right knee and twist over to the right side. So twisty dog. Breathing. And then inhale as you come to center. Exhale, bend the knees, walk the feet towards the hands. Inhale, hands to shins, lift the chest. Exhale to fold, let go of the head. Inhale, swoosh the arms forward and up. And exhale, bring the hands to the sides of the body. Very nice. Take a breath. Good. From here, inhale, scooch the arms forward and up. Exhale, as you swan down from the chair, you just fold over the thighs. Inhale, lift the chest. Now try and keep the hands on the floor. You might need to bend your knees deeply for that to happen. That's okay, but hands stay on the floor. Exhale, step one leg back, then the other leg back. Coming into a plank position using your strength. That might involve having your knees down. That's okay. Inhale, bend the right knee. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, left. Exhale, straighten. If your knees down, you just hold the position. Inhale, right knee. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, left. Exhale, straighten. Inhale, squeeze the glutes. Exhale, bend the elbows, lower all the way down. From here, send the arms down by the sides of the body for Shalabhasana. Inhale, peel the chest away from the floor. Exhale, maybe lift the legs. Breathing. So using your ocean breath, Ujjayi breath. So breath becomes audible. Good, and then exhale, soften down. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Inhale, peel the chest, maybe the hips away from the floor. Tuck the toes as you sink back. And exhale, push back into downward dog. Even out the breath. Breathing. So we're staying with the strength and flexibility. Inhale, bring the right heel in. Exhale, step through with the left leg as we come to warrior two. Inhale, press into the left heel as we rise up. Good. Exhale. You can make this same shape across the chair. Feels really nice, actually, when you do that. Also know that you can bring your hands to your hips. Otherwise, gazing down the fingertips, check your knees rolling out towards the little toe. Good. Feel the strength of the body. And then exhale, wrap the left arm around the belly as you fold forward. Now you might rest your elbow on the thigh for more support, or you might just hover. See what's doable. Draw the abdominals in. Inhale as you come back. Exhale, right arm behind the back. And inhale, coming to a reverse warrior. Keep bending into that front knee. Lots of strength. Good. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, wrap around. Strong breathing. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, wrap around the back. Good. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, bring the arms down, step back into plank and lower the body. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. See where you need to be. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Good. Inhale, left heel comes in. Change around so I can see you. Exhale, step through with the right foot. Inhale, warrior two to the right side. Same options. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Good. Keep the breath moving. Stabilize. Then inhale, right arm around the belly. Exhale, left arm over. Keep pressing into the front heel. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, arm around the back. Keep bending into the front knee. Good. Inhale, make peace with the discomfort. Exhale as we come forward. Embrace the discomfort. Inhale, back to warrior two. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale, coming up. Again, arms come down. Exhale, step back into plank. Now hold the plank this time. Either knees down or knees up. Keep breathing. So feeling the strength of the body. Good. And from this position, inhale. Exhale, bring the knees down, cross at the ankle, and see if you can sit down all the way. Now, as you sit down, slide the hands back so the fingers face forward. Release the legs and bring the soles of the feet to the floor. From here, roll the shoulders forward. Inhale, lift the chest. So that's an option. Exhale, another option is to scooch the feet forward, maybe lift a little away from the floor, or maybe lift into a full tabletop position. You might look forward, you might look back. See what's doable, breathing. Good. Now, if you're looking back, look forward. If you need to come down, that's okay. Inhale, lower the sitting bones, and then exhale to lift up. Press into the heels. Inhale to lower, exhale to lift. Last one. Inhale to lower, exhale to lift. Now the arms. Inhale, bend the elbows. Exhale, lift. Good. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lift. Last one. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lift. Inhale. Sit all the way down. You might lift away from the floor and then exhale. Well done. Did you make it? I hope so. So from here, flexibility of the wrists. Inhale, take the arms forward. Exhale, bring the hands into loose yogic fists and push out through the top of the wrist. You might be able to feel that after the weight bearing. Breathing. Good, then release the fist and just come into caveman hands in the lap as you lean forward a little. Good, feel the heart rate just beginning to slow down. Good. Now from this position, inhale, come to the upright. Exhale. From here, lift the left leg, sole of the left foot to the floor. Inhale, exhale, and just scoop through to a twist. Nice, easy twist to the left side. So you might use the inner elbow, the wrist, the hand, as you scoop through. Breathe in. Active toes of the right foot. Another option is to take the elbow over. Know that you can give yourself a little manual adjust with your thumb. I sometimes do that. Got a bit of stiffness in your back like I have. Sometimes it helps. Good. You might look over the shoulder. This is Marichyasana C. You're feeling super flexible. You might take your arm around there. Now you can see that's not a good idea for me. So if your shoulder lifts like that, then don't do it. If you can get an easy bind, then you take the arm behind the back. There's no problem if not. It's okay. Stay comfortable. Inhale, glide the head to center. Exhale to release. Inhale, lift forward and up. Exhale, circle down through the wrist. We change sides. Inhale, bend in the right knee. Marichyasana C. To the right side. Exhale. Inhale, scoop through twist. Do a little shift of the rib cage if you wish. Good, drop the shoulders. Breathing. So tucking in the lower abdominals. That's what facilitates the twist. Good. Again, if it's easy for you, you might carry the elbow over. You can use that, as you can see, to give yourself a bit of traction into the twist. Active toes of the left foot. If that's easy for you, you might try that reverse bind. So you kind of wrap the arm around and then take hold of the bind at the left hip. Look over the shoulder. Again, if it's a big ask and you can't breathe, you just drop it down. Stay happy. Good. And then inhale as you glide the head back. Exhale. From here, scooch forward so that you can lay all the way down. And inhale, bring the knees into the belly to equalize through Apanasana. Exhale, have a gentle rock from side to side, nice and easy. Good, and then inhale, open the palms, float the ankles up for a brief Viparita Karani. Legs in the air pose. Now you can bring your hands underneath the sitting bones for more support. You can bend your knees. We're not staying too long, so just do what you need to do. If we're in a chair, you can rest your legs nicely on the base of the chair. It's a nice option. Feel everything beginning to calm down. And then inhale, bring the knees in. Exhale, either roll to one side and come up or rock up the spine. Only do that if your back feels okay with it. Good, and come into comfortable seated position as we sit tall. Coming to the close of this strength and flexibility class. Bring the hands together. Close the eyes. Be aware of any changes, any shifts in your body, your mind, your thoughts, your breath. No, you don't have to be hours on the mat to get those shifts. Just do what you need to do in 15 minutes. That's all the time you have. That's all good. Taking a breath in. Gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. And inhale to lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for joining me with this practice. Do hit the like button. Do subscribe to the channel so you never miss a class every other Tuesday. And I will look forward to seeing you soon.